Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Not a lot of news overnight. We're seeing most of the grains up a little bit. Some people think the funds are covering some positions both at month end, quarter end, and into the USDA report on Friday. We'll also note that wheat's up a little bit, despite the fact that most of the southern plains got 1 to 2 inches. Some people got 3 inches of rain overnight, and another rain event is coming in on Thursday. So this rain should probably help the crop quite a bit, overcome some of the dryness and lower ratings that we've seen to date. It is interesting that when we look at previous March reports on acres and stocks, the biggest up move in December corn was in 2011, up 30 cents. The biggest down move was in 2013, down 32 cents. And the average move on that day is about 10 cents. The biggest up move in November beans was in 2009 when we were up 50 cents. The biggest down move was in 2008 when we were down 70 cents. So the average move has been about 20 cents. So we're looking for a mostly negative bean report and maybe kind of a mixed corn report with acres down and stocks up, which could mean that we could be 3 to 4 cents lower in the corn from where we are today, and maybe 10 to 15 cents lower in the beans. And then we'll see what we do after that. We do have one consulting group out there whose weather guy thinks that the Northern Hemisphere 2017 summer weather is not going to be good as normal. So we'll see if we find some support down the road if that forecast is correct. The Argentina farmers holding back on beans both last year and new crop. We also see that Brazil premiums are a little bit lower because of the big crop and the fact that there's not a big lineup yet for April for loading beans. Some people think that April will pick up, but after April there may be a reduction in the amount of beans that are being buying from Brazil, which could offer some resistance to the soybean market. So in general, the 6 to 10 outlook for the United States calls for above normal rains and above normal temperatures. And so I think in the spring most people will take that as long as it doesn't delay corn plantings. Outside markets relatively quiet, so we'll just go with the funds covering some positions month in, quarter in, and going into Friday's report. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.